Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from LAVYHAIR. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay sis, so again I received this unit from LAVYHAIR and it came in this package right here. So let's open her up and see what we have. So here we have the unit itself, and then let me see if it's something else in here. It is. The only thing in there is a wig cap. Oh girl, it's black. I've never used a black wig cap, but it's a black wig cap. And then what is this? I guess it just tells you how to yeah, hair tips, how to take care of the unit. So let's get into this unit. We have a 24-inch unit. I believe I got a U-part wig, but you know, I will have the deets once we jump further into the video. Ooh, she's cute. Yes, it is a U-part unit, as you can see, and this is it. Again, y'all, I'll tell you what the pattern, the wave pattern and stuff is once we jump further into the video, because I'm gonna have to pull it up. But she's cute. It's giving body wave, I believe. I don't know girl. Don't quote me, but she's cute and really thick and full. Here we have the construction of the cap. You see the combs. You have one here, and then one in the middle. Is it one? Yeah, it's one in the middle. Oh girl, I can't see. It's two. It's two. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 on either side, as well as one in the middle. So girl, it's going to be very secure. Then we have combs, 1 on either side to add more security. And then we have a comb at the bottom along with adjustable straps. Yeah, adjustable straps. It's right here. So girl, one more time for this curl pattern, and we're going to go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair. I want to do a side part, so I'm going to start by parting my side part first. Then I'm going to part another side part just to do a braid. This step is optional. I want to do a braid just because the clips hurt my hair, and I want to be able to stick the clips inside of the braid. So I'm going to braid it curving with the side part. Then I'm as well going to braid it down just so that the other clips can be stuck inside of the braid as well. Like girl, it's kind of hard to explain, so just watch and you'll see what I'm talking about. So now that I'm done with the braid down, I'm going to get my edge control and start to swoop my edges. After I get my edges swooped to my liking, I'm going to put everything into a ponytail and then clip it in the back. I don't know who told me I was cute and trying to do these little baby hairs and trying to do something different, but all in all I end up changing it in the end and just doing a big swoop, because yeah, who did I think I was? Anyways girls, so now I'm just putting in the wig, or putting on the wig, and I'm clipping the clips inside of the braid, just because again you guys, it's such a relief to my scalp, because putting these clips on my scalp hurts so bad. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just putting it inside of the braids that we braided down from the beginning. Once I got to the side, if you guys remember, there is a comb on the side. I kind of just stuck that comb in the middle of my head, and I'm okay with it not being on a braid because the combs don't hurt and it doesn't cause any tension or whatever. So now I'm going to flat iron my leave out. I'm going to try to curl it as well, but that kind of didn't work. So after I flat iron everything, I am going to go back in with my curling iron and some Got To Be Glue Free Spray, because for whatever reason my curls did not want to hold, like sis. So yeah, I just sprayed some Got To Be Glue Free Spray on my hair and then curled it with my curling iron in the end, and then just blended it in with the unit. Okay sis, so this is what we ended up looking like, real cute and natural looking. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. And let me stand up so you can see the length. And again y'all, I'm 5'7". So yeah girl, so yeah, why do I keep saying so yeah? Anyways, I got this wig from LAVYHAIR, and this is their V-part unit. Is 300% density Brazilian hair in the texture loose wave, and it is 24 inches. So girl, let's get into the details. So I don't really need to say if it's big hair friendly or not, just because it's a V-part unit. It kind of just fits anybody's head. I will say that you probably would want to do a deep part, because with the little small part that I did, I couldn't put the clips directly like right here. I had to curve it off up underneath to the side because they were so long. But I mean, it is what it is, and it kind of made it better just because you can kind of not have so much leave out right here on the side if you do a side part, to where the hair from the wig can kind of just cover it up because you wrapped it around. So I mean, yeah, the texture of this hair is, I don't know. So The hair is soft. You can run your fingers through it. I hadn't received any shedding. However, it feels like it's product in the hair. It feels like it's kind of weighted down, like it's something like grease or something in the hair. It's not like movie and just airy or whatever. It's like something is weighting this hair down. So I probably should have washed it first, just to get that product and stuff out. And typically people always wash the wigs before they wear it, and I don't. I kind of just put it on. Shame on me. But next time, I know, probably once I do know that I get that feeling or whatever, I probably should have washed it, because it feels like somebody put grease and stuff in it, and I don't know, it just seems like it's some type of product in the hair. But I mean, it's still some pretty hair. The curl pattern is pretty. Again, no shedding, no tangling. I do get a few snags at the ends because the hair is so curly. I probably should straighten it out just a little bit. I'm not gonna say that it's frizzy or anything. Like, you don't need to trim it. Like, it's nothing wrong with the ends. However, with it just being curly like that, I probably would want to straighten it out just a little bit, just so I will be able to run my fingers through without any snags. But I mean, there's no shedding, and if I do receive shedding, it'll probably be just minimal shedding, because all hair sheds. I mean, it just is what it is. But yeah, I haven't received any shedding thus far, and it's just overall, the curl pattern of this unit is very pretty. I did comb it out some, but I didn't want to like mess up the curl pattern, because I wanted to keep that loose wave in. But I imagine if I would have washed it, it would have still been the same. But yeah, so I mean, besides that, y'all, I think this unit is very pretty. I will have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.